Welcome to our world of imagination and play, where children's laughter fills the air and adventures await at every corner. Introducing our outdoor playground equipment, a heaven for young explorers and a playground for boundless creativity. Designed with safety and fun in mind, our equipment is crafted from the finest materials, ensuring durability and endless hours of joyous play. From thrilling slides to challenging climbers, each piece is customizable to suit your space and preferences, creating a unique play area that sparks excitement and wonder. Introducing our pony merry-go-round, the perfect blend of whimsy and adventure for your playground. Let your little ones' imaginations soar as they gallop around on this delightful outdoor play equipment. Introducing the hopping pod, where fun meets imagination in your outdoor space. Watch as kids bounce and play, creating memories that last a lifetime. Customize your hopping pod for a perfect fit in your backyard or playground. Let the adventures begin with the hopping pod. Introducing our two-seater swing, a perfect way for kids to enjoy the outdoors together. Customizable to fit your space, this swing brings joy and laughter to any playground or backyard. Introducing our net rock climber, where adventure awaits at every reach. Customizable for your space, this outdoor play equipment is perfect for little climbers. Let the climbing fun begin. Introducing the loop run, a thrilling addition to any playground. Customizable and safe, this outdoor play equipment challenges kids' agility and strength. Watch as they loop and climb, creating endless adventures. Bring excitement to your outdoor space with the loop run. Introducing the crescent slide, where the thrill of the ride meets the beauty of the outdoors. Customize this slide for your space and watch as kids slide into fun-filled adventures. Bring joy and excitement to your playground with the crescent slide.